Hello friends, it is Mad. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. And if you are new, make sure you click that subscribe button to become a part of the trendiest place on the internet. Why did I do, what was that? God, that was so embarrassing. Hello, hi, welcome. Today's video is a little bit different. As you can see, I am just like sitting on my floor. I'm actually not even sitting. I'm squatting, I'm balancing, and I'm holding onto my amp to stabilize me here. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. You know, it's spring, it's getting warm out, and so my brain's like, oh my gosh, spring cleaning, this is a must, this has to happen. I'm starting to realize how much clutter I have accumulated in terms of my beauty products over the winter. Because of that, I really want to do a deep declutter. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you love decluttering videos, homemaking videos, minimalisms. Okay, nah, I can't promise this is gonna be minimalist at all. I have so much stuff. But if you like these kinds of videos, give this one a thumbs up, let me know, and I'll do more like this for the rest of my apartment. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, and let's just get started. First, I'm gonna show you guys the current state of things. It's actually embarrassing. Let's go. This is, don't mind this light over here. Here is the current state of my beauty space. This is in my bedroom. My bed is also a mess. It's right here. The drawers are literally bursting at the seams with stuff, like all of them. It's so bad. So much clutter, garbage. In this corner, I have even more like packages just filled with products. In here, we are also overflowing. This is out of control, and I would love for this to be like one of those really nice aesthetic shelfy moments, but it's just not. Okay, so I'm thinking the best way to go about this is to actually organize things into piles. So like, what's garbage? What needs to still be reviewed, or like I have a sponsorship, products like that that I need to post about. That's gonna be a separate thing. Products I'm giving away to friends, family. I'm gonna use this as my garbage bag, and then I'm gonna get some other bags for all the other categories. So let me go grab some bags. little working update. It is actually the next day. I went out last night and got some containers to organize, which you guys saw. All of the drawers are fully organized. First of all, this. I'm obsessed. I can't get over it. But I organized it so well that I have a whole extra drawer, which is amazing. So I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do with that yet, but I'm gonna leave it for now. We need to transport all of this stuff to the bathroom. And then we are left with this mess. And I was actually thinking of making this my brushes and then having all my fragrance on here. So let's do that because my fragrances are squeezed into my cabinet and they almost fall out every single time. In here, I have all of my perfumes. They are like right on the edge. Perfume is such an art. The bottles are so beautiful. Why am I hiding these in a little cabinet when they could be like on display?
Early the next morning.
I got super busy last night. I'm currently breaking out. As I was wrapping up filming the mini fridge organization, I got a huge package from Glow Recipe. They literally sent me like everything. Oh my gosh, I can't even hold it all, but you get the idea. Now I have to figure out where to store all of this. Now that all my drawers are organized, I think it's time that we move into the bathroom and we do the cabinets. Like I said before, I do have the extra drawer in my vanity open now, so I might just put a bunch of unopened products in that drawer. I would love to get this done today because my room is literally a mess. Here's the cabinet and I don't even know where to start. I think I'm just going to take everything out. Alright guys, I have successfully gone through everything, but I feel like this just looks so much better. Here's products I'm going to put in my products to review or products that are brand new in the box, just received drawer. These two products are definitely expired, so those will be getting tossed. Here is a bunch of stuff that I am getting rid of, and I might even break this down a bit more and get rid of more stuff. All of the Glow Recipe stuff that I received, I'm just gonna put it in my new drawer. I need to make content for it because I do work with Glow Recipe. right, guys, so that concludes this beauty space transformation video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it kept you occupied. I hope it inspired you to revamp or just clean up your space if it's feeling cluttered and making you unproductive. I know for me, when it comes to mess and clutter, that is when I am just the absolute most unproductive. Aside from expired products that I had to just toss, this bag is like overflowing. Probably got rid of 40 to 50 items. And I also have some like kits that I'm gonna get rid of. That concludes this video. Thank you guys for coming along this journey with me. If you would like to see me do the same, like organization / decluttering for different areas of my home, such as my closet, my office space, really anything, let me know in the comments below and I can definitely do more videos like this. If you have not already, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you click that subscribe button to become a part of the trendiest place on the internet, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.